Hello listeners, hello video viewers. Welcome to English with Alex channel. The topic number 20 is vehicle names. Car, van, bus, taxi, fire engine, police car, ambulance, pram or baby carriage, bicycle, mountain bike, scooter, motorcycle, carriage, dumper truck, recycling truck, cement mixer, crane, forklift, tractor, bulldozer, excavator, subway, tram or streetcar, train, aerial tramway, hot air balloon, helicopter, airplane, rowboat or rolling boat, cruise ship. Thank you for watching, bye for now, and see you next lesson.